Russian forces from the Tsentr Group unleashed a crushing salvo in the Krasnoarmeysk direction as a BM-21 Grad crew of the 8th Guards Combined Arms Army locked onto an armed forces of Ukraine stronghold and erased it in seconds. The rockets tore through the position with raw, punishing force, turning the fortified site into a cloud of debris and flame. Another Ukrainian foothold gone, wiped clean under the weight of a perfectly timed Grad strike. One more Ukrainian unit in Mirnograd was wiped out when a FAB-1500 slammed into its position, leveling the site on impact. A Ukrainian darts loitering munition made an attempt to breach the front near Krasnoarmeysk, flying low to evade detection, but the move was totally failed. Operators of the Strela 10 from Russia's Center Group tracked the drone, engaged instantly, and destroyed it with a precise intercept. Russian strike aircraft swept over Rizhivka in Sumy Oblast, releasing FAB series bombs equipped with UMPK glide kits onto Ukrainian defensive positions embedded in the settlement. The bombs, riding extended-range wings and GPS guidance, cut across the sky with precision before slamming into the target zone. Moments later, the area was swallowed by plumes of fire and debris. Another fortified site was shattered under Russia's long-range strike rhythm. Later, Gulapol's defensive line didn't stand a chance. A TOW Solntsepek system locked in, fired, and blanketed the Ukrainian positions with high-temperature overpressure munitions. The impact erased the strong points in a single, blistering salvo, a result the Russian Defense Ministry officially reported afterward. Boom! The skies over Gulyai-Polly cracked open as Russian aviation unloaded a devastating payload onto the Ukrainian garrison. Guided bombs plunged with ruthless accuracy, ripping through fortified positions and scattering debris across the settlement. In Kryvyi Rih, a powerful explosion rocked, striking an administrative building during the attack. Under the cover of night, Russian forces unleashed a barrage of Grad rockets across the Konstantinovka direction, the Yug group of forces turning the darkness into a chain of fiery impacts. Salvo after salvo tore into the Ukrainian temporary deployment area, shredding the position in seconds. Russian KVN drones operating with fiber optic guidance eliminated a Ukrainian BAT-UMG armored vehicle on the Stepnogorsk outskirts. Current assessments confirm that the Ukrainian grouping inside the town has been surrounded. UAV operators continue to shut down all breakout attempts, striking and destroying hostile armor as it moves toward the encircled zone. Next, gunners of the 72nd Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade, operating within the 3rd Army Corps of the Yug Group, tracked down an active Ukrainian 120mm mortar site and leveled it with a sharp, focused strike. Once the position was exposed, the brigade's fire mission landed with precision, crushing the weapon, scattering the crew, and leaving the emplacement in ruins. One more armed forces of Ukraine firing asset removed from the battlefield. One more sector secured. The Panzer S anti-air missile and gun system stands on constant watch in the Sever Group sector, delivering uninterrupted air protection day and night. Its crews track, lock, and engage any threat that creeps into the airspace, keeping frontline units and logistics routes shielded under a 24-hour defensive umbrella. In the Zaporozhye region near Malaya Tokmachka, the Dnepr Group of Forces Grad multiple-launched rocket system crew from the 58th Combined Arms Army provided covering fire for advancing assault units, successfully destroying an enemy artillery gun. Severe weather is battering the battlefield, but Russian units continue executing their missions without pause. Rubicon systems are hitting everything in their path: AFVs, Pandur armored carriers, SP artillery, ground vehicles, UGV platforms, patch antennas, comms masts, Starlink nodes, Baba Yaga UAVs, firing sites, and entire drone control posts. The strikes are cutting deep into Ukraine's tactical backbone. On the Kupyansk axis, a Ukrainian 122mm 2S-1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer was taken out by a precision strike from a Lancet loitering munition, the drone diving straight onto the gun's position and reducing the artillery piece to burning wreckage within seconds. The brave ones are storming Mirnograd, pushing hard toward the Dnepr region with the same cold, mechanical momentum that has broken so many lines before. In their path, Ukrainian positions collapse one by one. Armored fighting vehicles burn out on the approaches. Shelters and field depots rupture under precision strikes. UAV equipment and antenna clusters are smashed flat, severing communications in real time. Even Starlink terminals, those last lifelines for coordination, spark out under direct hits. Baba Yaga UAV nests, once a threat along the gray zone, are shredded into silence. The advance continues, methodical and merciless, the map shifting as the brave ones carve their way forward. Watch how Russian drone operators strike with precision, relentlessly targeting enemy infantry and equipment around Pokrovsk, Mirnograd, and the Dnepr region, day and night. Supporting the advancing forces, these strike drone teams deliver accurate hits on key positions. This footage captures moments of NATO-supplied hardware being destroyed and the targeting of positions, heavy drone bombers, and communication systems as of December 3rd. A new video captures a long sequence of Ukrainian equipment destroyed by Russian drones, revealing the scale and variety of targets hit across the battlefield. The footage shows M113 armored fighting vehicles, cars, pickups, and communication assets, including patch antennas, larger communication masts, and multiple Starlink terminals, struck one after another. Defensive positions such as strongpoints and dugouts are also hit, alongside PVD systems and several Baba Yaga heavy drones and FPV drones. Electronic warfare stations are seen burning in the later frames, followed by additional armored vehicles and automotive equipment. The final moments show destroyed Senator vehicles and equipment of the Ukrainian airborne forces, marking a wide range of losses captured in a single sweeping compilation. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.